Dun, dun, da, da. Dun, dun, da, da. Here comes the bridesmaid. What is up, beautiful people? It's Amber. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you enjoyed my fabulous rendition of Here Comes the Bride, and I hope you are also ready for some wedding-inspired content. Everybody knows bridesmaids' dresses are a drag. I've never been a bridesmaid. I think the saying is always a bridesmaid, never the bride, but I'm never the bride and also never the bridesmaid. Anywho's the point is, bridesmaids' dresses are expensive, and when you do have to buy them for a wedding, it's very annoying to have a dress that you can never wear again. So I thought it'd be fun to do a little bit of a makeover on the ugliest one I can find to see if we can revamp it and make it wearable again. So without further ado, here we go. DIY ugly bridesmaid's dress makeover. Ah, fake flowers. Smell of romance. Here we go. Wow, I actually look like I could be the groom in this outfit, but by the way, why does the filming in this video look so bad? It's because I got a new camera and I don't really know how to use it yet, so pardon the horribly overexposed lighting, but go with it for now. Anywhoosie, as always, here we go. Before we get going, here is my outfit of the day. Oh, very menswear. I've just been absolutely obsessed with menswear lately. I can't get enough of wearing it. It's just so big and oversized and comfy and cozy to wear. Men just have it really easy, to be honest. So anyways, that's another topic for another story, but we have this oversized men's blue button down. So cute. I got this at a thrift store. Very fun. We got both my emeralds that I got in New York. You remember those in the shopping vlogs. Oh, well, the bottom. People give me heat for not wearing pants. I am wearing a black skirt, but yeah, I prefer the look of it with no pants. It just makes it seem a little saucier, you know? I have these shoes that I wear every day because I'm obsessed with them, and my purse's first maiden voyage out, the one I got in Tokyo. So that is my look of the day, but actually this video is interesting because I actually went shopping for the bridesmaid's dress yesterday, so enjoy this little flashback moment. All right, so last time I was here, they kicked me out for filming, so we're gonna try and be very inconspicuous today, so pardon my whispering, but here we go. All right, here we go. This is Jet Rag Vintage. This place is literally one of the coolest stores in Los Angeles, in my humble opinion. You're gonna love it. Is this not the coolest store you've ever been in your life? Oh my God, it's so cool. And it's all organized by decades. It's the funnest. Look at this, you guys. It's a gold mine. Oh my God, they have so many funny old dresses that look like bridesmaid stuff. This is, ooh. Honestly, this just low-key looks like a look. Oh, there's so many to choose from. What's the ugliest one we can pick out? We're gonna try the 50% off room. See what's in here. Oh, I love. Oh my God, you guys, this is perfect. I'm pretty sure I want to get a pink dress because that just seems the most bridesmaidy to me, but we'll see. There's so many options. Oh my God, this store is unbelievable. Oh, wow. Oh my God, I need to do a whole video in here at some point, but for now, focusing. Bridesmaids. I could shop in here forever. I was definitely born in the wrong decade. Okay, we got so many to try on. Oh my God, I'm so excited. We'll see which one wins ugliest. This is gonna be hilarious. Oh, Vogue, honey. This is a look. Oh, Lord have mercy. The 80s were a time to be alive. Ah, yes, very flattering. Oh my God, the shoulder pads, you guys! This time period was literally iconic. Oh, ooh, 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 ooh. Oh my God, it's hideous. Perfect. Woohoo! Mission accomplished. All right, we're also gonna pop into Michael's really quick because I need a couple more things. Ooh, there's lots of options of scissors, but $29, what? Ugh, all right, well, whatever. I guess we'll get some really expensive scissors. We also gotta grab some thread, so I think either this one or that one. Hi, little man. Hi. Alrighty, so it is the next morning. I literally just woke up and look like poo, so I'm not gonna show me too close up, but this is the dress that we got for the makeover. You can see it's just, you know, ugly. I actually really like the fabric, but the fit is weird and it definitely has a dated look to it. I would literally never wear this. So we also got our fancy expensive scissors and some perfectly matching thread. We're also gonna bust out the sewing machine. I haven't used this since I did that other video. So, we'll see how this works. But There we go. All right, so again, here you can see the dress before. You can see it's perfect for being a bridesmaid in the 80s, or, you know, dancing really weird, and of course, dancing even weirder. But first things first, what we're going to do is we're actually going to take the dress, instead of using it forwards, we're going to flip it on its back, and we're going to make the back of the dress be the front of the dress. Like you can see the tag here, so this is technically the back, but we're gonna go ahead and use this as the front. By the way, random side note, look at that, 100% silk. This was probably expensive back in its day. Broke bitch tip. Okay, anywhoosie. So now we have the dress on backwards, so you can see it kind of looks more like a blouse now, so that's fun. And what we're going to do is obviously cut it into a two-piece, because that's just what I like to do. So we're gonna take our ridiculously overpriced scissors, thank God I had a 40% off coupon, and we are just going to go ahead and cut the dress right into two pieces. Check it out. Now it's a crop top and a skirt. As you can see, the skirt is obviously way too long, which is just completely not my aesthetic, so we're going to hoe it up and make it way, way, way shorter. So we're just gonna take our scissors again, go ahead, snip, snip until that is short. And we're gonna actually save this fabric, so we'll come back to that in a second. But you can see the skirt is now shorter. However, you can see the hemline is a little jankety because obviously I did not really try that hard when I was cutting it. So we're gonna go ahead and fold it under, and we're gonna bust out the sewing machine again, and we're just going to stitch that till the skirt is perfectly hemmed. Ta-da! You can see? Very nice. You can see there's a little extra fabric on the underside though, so we're gonna take the scissors and go ahead and snip that off to make it a little cleaner, but that will be that on the skirt. So you can see the bottom of the shirt is a little uneven here, so what we're gonna do is just gonna fold that under, stitch the bottom so it creates a more even hemline, so you can see, ooh la la, nice and even. I'm not a huge fan of the dress's turtleneck collar thing, so I'm gonna go ahead and stitch that down just along the line so it stays put. So you can see it creates a nice even crew neck line there. Now with the extra fabric, I'm gonna go ahead and actually fold it over and cut it into kind of like what looks like a little ribbon type thing. So you can see snip, snip, snip until we have it all nice and snaky like a snake. How original of a metaphor. We're gonna go ahead and use the sewing machine to stitch that into one piece so it stays. And then we're going to basically, this is really hard to explain what I'm doing, but we're gonna go ahead and flip it inside of itself. So this looks so weird, but yeah. Flipping it inside of itself is going to remove the seam and put the seam on the inside so it looks more professional and clean. Moving right along here, you can see now it looks like a little nice necktie. So I'm gonna go ahead and tie that in a bow. Yes, it's a little dirty, but I'll clean that later. And I'm just gonna go ahead and use that as a tie around the neck. I'm also gonna make another extra one to put around the skirt waistband. And once it's all done, you can kind of see on the floor, it looks like absolutely nothing. But you'll see when it's on and styled, it's gonna be frickin' fabulous. So, drum roll please, da-na-na-na-na. Here we go. I feel like a pretty princess. Oh my goodness. Are you guys ready for this? Ta-da! Here we have the finished product. Oh my gosh, George, are you impressed? You are. Hi, honey, I love you. So here we have the finished bridesmaid makeover look. Oh my God. How cute is this? Oh, we will start out with the top. You can see I ended up putting the little bow around my neck. So cute. I buttoned up the buttons on the front that were originally the back. I went ahead and tied it up like this so it just looked a little bit, you know, more saucy. And I left the sleeves actually because I kind of thought those were a look. And I was right. So you can see the skirt came out adorable too. Oh my God, it's like skater vintage chic, and the fabric, I don't know if you guys can even tell this. Look at how pretty the fabric is. It's gorgeous. Paired it with my little pink Chanel because, you know, that just makes everything look a little fancier, and you would never in a million years know that we were not stepping out of the streets of Mad Men or Vogue or Paris or Vogue. Like, do you guys remember how ugly this was literally an hour ago? Such a freaking vintage look. I could go on a picnic with the love of my life who doesn't exist, but that's okay. Oh, I'm now dressed for whenever the hell I find him. Flight attendant, but make it fabulous. Literally, this is adorable. I'm shook, I'm blown away, it's just so good. Ah, I'm proud. What's that? It's Marilyn Monroe. Don't let me wear this as your bridesmaid. I will steal the groom in an instant. George, do you want to marry me? You do? Oh my goodness. Fantastic. Ta-da, 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 na-na, ta-da, na. Here comes the bridesmaid dressed in fresh thrifted couture. This weird outfit over here is literally driving me nuts. But anyways, overall, I would say say we did a frickin' damn good job. So there you have it, you guys. That was me taking a very ugly bridesmaid dress and giving it a makeover. I hope it inspires you to get creative with some other dresses and things that you might not think have any potential, because remember, honestly, anything can be fabulous if you make it that way. So thank you guys so much for watching. As always, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for lots more fabulous DIY content. I will see you guys next time. I love you, my sweet, beautiful, fabulous baby angels. XO. I love you. Ah, don't eat the flowers. Ah, no. Naughty groom. Naughty.